ready to level up with this luxury 5-panel dress. The tailored panel lines and sharp square neckline create a flawless, high-end silhouette. I'm ladybirdesigner, and today I'll hand you the exact steps to draft it perfectly. A golden tip for customizing your garment. If you want to make the dress tighter after fitting, it is very simple. You can always take in the desired amount from the side seams. This adjustment keeps your perfect fit without disrupting the clean, one-piece bodice or the skirt drape. Now, as always, it is time to write the vital notes on our pattern pieces. The moment each piece is finished, all technical details must be immediately written on it. This step ensures that when placing the patterns on the fabric and during cutting, you won't face any issues and everything goes perfectly. An advanced trick for professional garment fitting. As mentioned before, you can always take in the dress from the side seams. However, for designs like this one, there is an even better option. Instead of taking the entire amount from the sides, you can make the darts slightly deeper. Simply catch an extra 0.5 to 1 centimeter on each side of the darts to make the garment fit beautifully and wrap the body perfectly. Now it is time to add the garment length. As always, I have listed the standard length for various sizes in the description box. I have also included the links to essential prerequisite tutorials that you must watch before drafting this model. So remember to always check the description box. For finishing the neckline and armholes, you can either draft a facing or fully line the garment. My personal preference is definitely using a lining, as it provides a much cleaner inside finish and a more high-end structure. However, this is entirely a matter of personal choice. For ease of wear, a zipper is sewn along the center back line. Make sure to allow the necessary allowance for this zipper installation when drafting your pattern. Our beautiful pattern is now fully completed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and will try these high-end techniques on your own fabrics. Don't forget to check the description box for the standard garment lengths and essential prerequisite links. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave your questions and thoughts in the comments. I read every single one of them. Until the next tutorial, happy and creative drafting!